This is how to remove the subtitle from video in Opus clip. So guys, once you have uploaded your clip or video over here, it will redirect to the all project and just simply select it. And now, as you can see, all of these clips have a caption automatically. So in order for you to remove them, you can just simply click on edit clip over here on the right side. And now it will redirect you to another page. And on the right side again, guys, you should be able to see here caption. So from here, when you click on the caption, you should be able to see here multiple options that you can choose from where you can customize your caption. In order for you to remove it, you can just simply click on this icon over here. And as you can see, when we play it, we should be able to remove it. And when we turn it on, as you can see, it will show up again over here. And once you are done, just simply click on Save Changes over here on the top right corner of the screen. And that's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!